friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I'm going to make chicken curry. This I've taken chicken over here, about 750 grams. Today I'm going to use all the masalas what I'm going to put in the chicken and marinate the chicken first and then make the curry. So first of all, I will put the salt. I've taken one lime. This also I will put the juice. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And the masala paste which I made here, this has got ginger, garlic, black pepper, onions, jeera. I made the paste out of this. So this I'm going to put in here. Friends, this is the masala water. This also I will put in here. I've taken chicken masala. This also I will put in. I have taken garam masala. This also I will put in. Now I will mix the masalas with the chicken. Nicely I will mix it. Now I will keep this aside. Friends, now I will put some mustard oil. Let the mustard oil turn a little hot. This is the bay leaves which I am putting in the oil. I have cut up the onions this way. Now this also I will put in. I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onions are gone brown. Now I will put in the marinated chicken, which I marinated with the masalas. Now I will let the chicken fry. Friends, the chicken is frying. You can see the oil also has come up. How nice it's looking. Friends, the chicken, the masala, everything is fried up well. The marinated chicken with the masala is fried up well. Now I am going to put, I have taken 2 green chilies here, cut up tomatoes and some dhania patti. This I am going to put in. Now I will add some water. I will keep gravy in the chicken. I won't make it dry. If you all want to make it dry, you all can make it. Try this recipe once. I hope you all will like it. This recipe which I have made is very ordinary, very simple. Friends, now I will cover the chicken and let it cook. Friends, this curry is already made up. It's done. I said I will keep gravy, so I'm keeping gravy. Bye-bye. This marinated masala chicken is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.